everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are making Star Trek's Raktajino Cake. This one is Tom Paris's version, so it's not even coffee. It's more of a lemon and orange cake, but let's see what happens. To begin, we need to sift together 2.5 cups of cake or plain flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1¼ cups of sugar. I used caster. We then need, it says a tablespoon of orange rind. I just put the whole orange zest in. We then need 1/2 cup of shortening, which is any baking fat, so I just used normal butter. 1/2 cup of milk and orange juice. So it says 1/3 cup of orange juice. If you're using the juice from the orange not to waste it, I would put more in, maybe 1/2 cup, just to give it a bit more flavour. But this one says, for more flavour, mix frozen concentrate with less water. We will then mix that together for a couple of minutes with an electric hand whisk, and then add 2 eggs and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once you're happy with that, we will be putting it in a 8 by 12 inch pan. Mine was a 7 by 11. And it says to grease and flour it. I just grease proofed mine. It's going in for 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. So while the cake is baking, we will make up the icing. We are creaming together 3 tablespoons of butter with an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, really random amount. And then we will be adding 3 cups of confectioner's or icing sugar, stirring and blending as you add it, with scalded cream, which is clotted cream, and that's 3 tablespoons of that. And then we will be adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with the zest. It says a teaspoon of lemon rind. Again, I think I just put it all in, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I just kind of threw it all on. It looked alright. You could probably get away with doing this in 2 tins or like a loaf tin. Let me know what you think and how you get on. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.